Hey guys, welcome back to the McArthur Industries group. Today we're going to run through a bit of a lithium battery setup we've done on this Isuzu motorhome behind me. So we're going to go through in a few stages in the video, show you outside and inside, and run through why we did this for the customer and what we fitted. So if you're interested in anything like this, hopefully this video will show you what we do and you'll be interested to come in and have a chat to us. Alright, so here we've got mounted the 3000 watt Inverter inverter / battery charger. So normally on a smaller inverter you've only got a couple of power points live and it's a struggle to try and get everything to operate. This one here, when you're connected to shore power, all the power points in the caravan will operate as normal, but then when you've got the shore power, this is also your 240 volt battery charger. So this can be up to a 150 amp charger. We got it set to 80 on this one. You can actually program it all, program all the functions, your battery types and everything like that. So we've gone through and programmed this for the customer. And then when you switch it to inverter mode via the control panel, it'll just liven up all the power points as normal if you were connected to shore power, liven up your aircon, but you're drawing power from the batteries to try and operate that. So you can charge laptops, run your aircon, run your microwave off this as you would as if you were connected to shore power, but you're inverting the power instead. It's all automatic, so if you are on inverter power and you plug into 240 shore power, it'll automatically take over, start using shore power instead of your battery power, charge those batteries back up, and then as soon as you unplug it, it'll automatically switch back over. You can also have it off on the control panel, so if you plug in, it'll just do whatever it needs to do and sort itself out.